Wednesday night race. I guess everybody's a little bit cooped up. There's rain coming this weekend, so they decided to have a race in the middle of the week. So we're out here in Mexico, and trying to see who's actually racing. I think it's just a small, like, 4-car shootout or something like that. So we'll go check out the cars right now and see what's going on.
I can't read this.
What's the B for? What's the B for?
I get to go first. You're 1-1? Sweet. I got 2.
Thank God we don't got Rick Bryan first round.
Me and the two? Yeah. Where are we racing at?
I'm gonna go down. We're gonna go down there if it's shit or if there's too much traffic. Then we'll just go somewhere else.
Should I unload my deal off the trailer now? Or you don't matter? You can unload there. It's a big ass parking lot.
Yeah,
It's a big ass parking lot.
Nah, he is.
You think?
1-1.
Wait, you a street car, right?
Yeah, I mean, I can drive it anywhere. I would have drove it here from when we were coming here, but
Hey, he already got the bind. If he over here,
Oh, it is for work.
Listen, we could have unloaded in the same lowest parking lot y'all unloaded at. It wouldn't have been no big deal. We could have been out there, buddies.
Let me see the address.
if it breaks, I'm just call a tow truck. Report that bitch stolen.
Baller.
Tell them Mafia and all that. I'm gonna pull y'all in. Don't come until y'all ready. And I'm gonna stop you. You know, get on the 2-stepper, trans brake. I ain't gonna flash. I ain't gonna be ready. Just when you come ready, stop. You're ready.
You're gonna bump.
Yeah. So don't bump in unless you're not ready.
No. I'm saying whenever you stop it.
Oh yeah, get on the trans brake. Yeah. I ain't gonna do all that. Yeah, I ain't gonna do all that. Oh, you roll, you crack, tire crack.
Sometimes it leaves. So.
Oh, okay.
So we still good?
No, he's talking about like right
Like
now.
pairs?
They go run first and then us. That's what you mean, right?
Oh yeah.
Doesn't matter. You can let me know. You want to wait a little bit?
No, it's fine with me.
What are you talking about?
He said after they run, we gotta run because you got the GTR.
Well, I guess let's make it fast and come back and then see if any,
call
you know,
next
any
week.
come whatever, not then y'all pull up. Who's racing? You and
Yeah.
First is him and the Camaro. And
alright, so
me and GTR.
who's the color?
It's in the bottom. Taking that lane.
Me and the guy.
Who want to call it?
It doesn't matter. I'll pick heads. Heads. I'll pick when I get up there. Right before. I'll tell you right now.
Paying people to watch the outside.
Yeah, I'm ready. I can see them. Yeah, I'm ready.
Y'all ready? Alright, I guess just pull up there and then I'm going to tell the finish line guy.
Like left lane, but
Apparently, do you want to run it back for some money? That ain't got shit to do with me. Oh, I was just checking. I was just checking.
Yeah, it's not my car, but you know.
It's not mine either.
Yeah, I bet against it if we do that popping shit again, though.
You never know.
Well,
Well, I can just get a car. Okay. No heat in the motor. It died when I took off. It went, look.
Had a little bit of a bobble. I guess it was too cold on the start.
Can you follow me with the light?
Oh, yeah, there you go. Close one.
Left lane got it.
Left lane.
Left lane.
For a little bit, and then he came around because I blew tires, and then I just snapped him.
Oh wait, the GTR one?
No.
Oh.
I drove around him.
Oh, okay.
He's out there.
650 horsepower car don't work.
Bad boy.
Cop showed up, gave us a stern talking to, said that right now they've got like a curfew in effect, and it's, he said like, oh, you could get up to like 6 months in jail or something like that and a big fine. So basically told everybody, get the hell out of here. So gonna head somewhere else and I don't know, see what they're gonna do. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. They do only technically have one round to go in the shootout, so that shouldn't be too hard to get off, but we'll see how any of the other spots are. Not too sure where they normally go. We'll see. Up there, looked like left.
I have a quarantine at my house. Get my money, you know, all the money.
Oh no!
That's mine.
Thanks.
Yes, sir.
Well, I thought I missed the whole thing, but I got here just in time, I guess.
Missed the first one, but
Yeah.
maybe you're right. What's another?
Nice. And then you're gonna do with the Camaro again?
Camaro, yeah.
Nice. That was the first race, right?
Yeah, but
That was that was the first
something
race.
went wrong with
and then he didn't leave the line.
Yeah. Cool. He had a lap to go. I say just do your own thing. Should be ready.
Yeah.
grudge match, a repeat of the first round. First pair, first round. Damn, stayed in it for a while. Like he was trying to go quarter or something. Got that good angle, thank you.
How far are you stopping down there?
I go all the way to the end.
Looked like you were trying to go quarter.
Almost to the light, like I turned on the last turn. I think there's like a...
Yeah, the flashlight. The flashlight in the middle of the road's the 8th, right?
Yeah, he sees it.
Like doubled that motherfucker.
It's because I'm thinking of what's his name in the first race with him. Though.
You see him,
Like,
yeah,
he was
close to
right there,
this?
so I was like, I'm just gonna keep going.
Oh shit, I gotta go get my camera. All right guys, so that's pretty much it for the night. Good couple of races. I mean, it's small car count. There's not gonna be a whole lot of people out. Probably really shouldn't be out right now. So that's probably gonna be the last time that we go out for a while. Hopefully we got some footage for a couple of weeks because we probably won't have a whole lot going on the next 2 weeks. Yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the cars and the footage. And yeah, we'll see you next time.